The Lightning Viewer is Resolve's web viewer. Now you can open massive BIM files in your web browser with Resolve. You don't need to download any plugins, you don't need to download an exe, an app, nothing. You just need to be running a Chrome-based browser. Today we're opening up a beta period for all existing Resolve customers to try the Lightning Viewer. The beta period will last through the end of August, and during the beta period, it doesn't matter what type of license you will have access to the Lightning Viewer. The Resolve team has been hard at work porting our rendering technology, the Wellington engine, to the web. We are taking advantage of the most performant cutting-edge web technologies like WebAssembly, WebGPU, and OPFS to build the best web viewer that can open massive BIM files all in a web browser. Let me show you how to use it. All you have to do is go to your Resolve web dashboard, and if you hover over any of your model titles, you will see that it says Open Model in Lightning Web Viewer. You click on the model title, and then it launches the viewer entirely in your browser. Now, just like that, I am looking at a Navisworks file in my browser. I use the left click button on my mouse to look around. These are first-person controls, just like our desktop companion app if you've used that. And they use the WASD keys to move forwards, backwards, left, and right, or the arrow keys. In addition to exploring the model on your own in your web browser, the Lightning Viewer allows you to follow other participants who are reviewing this model in VR. On the right-hand side, there's a panel that I can open up, and you can see that it has my name and it says Gather. This is me. This is the participants list like you're used to seeing on our desktop companion app or our VR application. So what I'm going to do now is open this model on my Quest. You will then see that my name appears here and it has the VR icon, meaning that this is a participant from a VR headset. And now if I press follow, now you are seeing what is happening in the headset. And as I move the headset around and look around, you can see that the Lightning Viewer follows me. And it's got that smoothened effect so that we don't make people motion sick as they're following around. This is the same thing our desktop companion app does. And now if I press forward on my joystick and move around, I teleported somewhere else and the viewer went with me. So the initial use case that we're targeting with the Lightning Viewer is just making it a lot easier for you to follow people or allow other people to follow you without having to download any companion applications, not have to ask IT to allow installing of an exe. You just send them a link and they'll be able to follow you if you launch it in VR, and they're able to launch the model in their browser. So that's how easy it is to use the Lightning Viewer. You just launch your Resolve web dashboard, you click on the title of any of the models that you have on there, and then it launches in your browser. A reminder, you do need to be using a Chrome-based browser because of the technologies that we're using under the hood. After that, the model will load in your browser. It will be cached, so the next time you open it, you don't have to download it again. And then you launch it from your VR headset, or a colleague of yours launches it from the VR headset, and you can follow them. The Resolve team is really proud of what we've accomplished here. This is the fastest web-based model viewer that I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of them. We made sure that we benchmarked it against some of the largest files. We're talking gigabytes large Navisworks files with lots of detail in them. And it will remain snappy. It's fast. That's why we called it the Lightning Viewer. This is a huge milestone for the team. We're really excited for everyone to try it. Again, the beta period will remain open through the end of August. So if you're a Resolve customer, you now have access to this. Give it a try and let us know what you think.